Are you gonna use this in school?
Yes. Thank you, Papa.
Oh my god. Today we are going to the dentist to finally get Katie's teeth checked. Sorry baby, mana ka sa akin sa ngipin. Katie! Oh my gosh, your hair is short. I like your hair. Sit. First things first. What is this from?
Ninong JR.
From Ninong JR. Okay, thank you, Ninong JR.
Thank you, Ninong JR.
And this one is from me.
Wow.
It's a ruby bracelet.
It's rare.
So you put it on your left. Hey, it looks pretty. Are you ready for your dentist appointment?
Yes.
Okay. You see? See? All right. Are you gonna use this in school?
Yes. Thank you, Papa.
Oh my god. Today we are going to the dentist to finally get Katie's teeth checked. Sorry baby, mana ka sa akin sa ngipin. So we're going to Urban Smiles. Let's go. Let's talk. Is ganda? You like? Kalat? Okay. Hold me. I can see all your teeth, baby.
But,
I'll show you
how?
the video after, okay?
2,
3. 1, 2, 1, 2. Hey, why are you putting your tongue out?
Papa, can I see my teeth?
Smile for me. Last one. Smile with your teeth. So, this is the X-ray room.
Talaga nga namang nakakatuwa si Chris Lawrence bilang isang tatay. Napaka-hands-on nito sa anak nila ni Katrina Halili na si Katie, kaya marami sa mga netizen ang humahanga sa kanya. Komento ng ilan, ibang-iba si Chris sa mga celebrity dad na may anak sa mga ex, dahil talagang pinanindigan nito ang responsibilidad kay Katie.
Definitely her kid is for braces. Because we want to align the teeth. Since 12 naman na siya, maybe we can start braces na. We have a concern about the gums, Chris, right? Okay. Yung gum na medyo prominent, saka na lang natin siya i-address after the braces. Usually kasi lahat ng cosmetics should be done after the braces, after the alignment.
Your braces will be installed 2 weeks later. Upper muna, and then lower after. Para hindi ka magulat.
So you have adjustments. Kasi your dad, I think you love ginger, you know. You're married. So yeah, I can do the thing for her right now.
Cleaning fluoride today, and then next week is your upper braces.
Okay.
Alright.
Already mo siya sabihin sa sana.
Who's excited?
Okay, are you ready? And so you know, you're not allowed to eat in the next 30 minutes. Is it fine?
Oh my God.